welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, as you see, I tie up my hair. I'm not a mother woman, I'm just a sister. Yeah, Empress. Yes. So guys, I did my aloe vera hair treatment, so it's wet, so you know I put my hair in a wrap. So here I have 2 pieces of aloe vera. There you go. Jamaican people say Cinco Bible. You just want to cut the sides off and you want to cut it down the middle. All right, and it's like this. No. And I'm gonna use 2 things today, 2 products or 2 ingredients. All right, this is the first one, my aloe vera gel. You just want to go ahead and cut it down the middle. You see how it's slimy? All right, we're gonna start off. I just wash my face. I wash my face just with water. All right, and you want to go ahead and you want to rub it on. You need only 1 piece, guys, 1 piece. You can put the other piece in the fridge for tomorrow. You can use that as well, or you can blend it and you can drink it. Just rub it on your face, rub it on your neck, okay? Don't leave out your neck. And when it's done, just use your finger and squeeze it, and you're gonna get more gel. Can you see that? I want to get under my dark circle under my eyes. Rub your lips. Ooh, so slimy. Ooh, but it feels good. Secret, guys, it's good to wash down there to make it smell fresh and nice. Yes, yes. For men and women, just dilute, just blend it up, wash it up, and it's good. It's good for those parts, all right, to make it fresh and nice. It's good for inside and out, this aloe vera. All right, guys, look at that, guys. Can you see that? Look at the glow. Look at my clear skin. Ooh, sister from another mother. All right, I'll come right back. My face is dry, a little stiff, but not too much. I have a container here with some warm water, and I'm gonna sponge my face down. If you want to make it quick, just run in the shower and just rinse it off with some warm water, all right? But for the video purpose, I'm gonna show you. And while my face is like a little bit damp, the next step, I made this, guys. It's my shea butter with my argan oil, my coconut oil, my castor oil, my tea tree oil, lots of oil, all right? And it's like this. All right, and all you have to do, take a little bit, rub it in your hand, voila, and just massage your face. Before me cut a drop off. In Jamaica, they say you have a kata on your head, right? Because this is how you make the kata. You make a knot or a kata and you set the pan on it to go to the river. You catch your water, you bring your produce from the ground, produce from the bush. All right, that's not part of this video. I just see the big kata on my head. So guys, just massage your skin from eyes, mouth. Make sure you get your lips. And this is my aloe vera and shea butter facial treatment. face mask, however you want to call it. And guys, this is it right here. My skin. This is baby's bottom. Sunny, come feel my face now, baby.
Soft.
Wait. Feel it.
I already did.
You
It
did?
feels soft and smooth.
Tell them how it feels.
It feels soft and smooth.
My daughter said my face feels soft and smooth. It does, Sunny?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So I have soft face clean here. And I'm gonna relax now and go to work. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Can you see my pores, guys? This treatment also clean and minimize your pores. All right, because right here I have lots of little fine pores, and look at it, guys. Close. So right now, guys, it's flawless right here. Look at that. Minimize your pores right there and then. Good for makeup. Ready? My face is now ready for some makeup. Before I go to bed. I am a talker today. Jeez, Tiona, you're a talker today. You talk a lot. Put God first. Laugh. Live, love, and laugh. Always remember there is a God. Love your family, love your neighbors, love your friend. Most of all, love yourself. Just remember, God is shining on